So this is our tool number 21 and the last and the final tool of this course, and that is remove.tg. So this is how the remove.tg website actually looks like. This is the best website when it comes to removing the image background. And this website actually removes your background 100% free. So it's not a paid tool. Even there's a pricing. When you will click on the pricing part, there's a pricing, but not as if you're using the more tools and more softwares, then there's a pricing. But this tool is the best tool when it comes to removing your image background. So first we are going to upload one image. So I will upload this image and I will show you how this tool actually works. So once the image is uploaded, this tool will automatically remove the background. Now if I want to add a background behind this, I can simply use the tool to add a background, more realistic background, so that this image looks real and raw. So let's go through some of these and see which one to do with first. So let's choose this one or this one, not the desert one. Let's choose this one. If you want to add a photo, a plain background, if you want, you can simply add these types of background. If you want a completely blank background for anything related to any image you want, which you need a completely black background, you can simply use this. When you come to photos, you can upload your own photo or your own background if you have. If not, then it's works quite well. We will choose this one. If you want to add any effects or blur effect and the background, you can simply use that. I can use add shadow. So it will add shadow to it. I will use the blur background. So it will blur the background completely for me. So now I can even use the adjust part, and these all things can be done on the Canva website. As I said earlier, this all thing when it comes to adjusting, lighting, cropping, expanding, Canva can do this easily, and it just takes few seconds to do that. When I click on design, you can add text on it, you can add elements on it, you can add different templates if you want. But over here, what you can see over here, everything is redirecting to Canva. That means Canva do all of these things. But this tool is the best tool when it comes to background remover, or if you want to remove any elements from your background, you then simply do that from here. If you don't want unwanted photos or unwanted things in your image, you can simply use this tool, and this tool automatically removes all the things that you don't want in that image. If you want to restore it, you can simply restore it and you will get that same thing back. So this is the one of the most amazing tool when it comes to background, removing background, adding different background, removing unnecessary elements to it. So after watching this video, the only thing I want you to do is head over to this tool, remove image, remove background from any image of yours, add new background to it, and remove unnecessary elements if you don't want it. Use the magic brush option and erase the not needed elements in your image and use it, and you will be amazed how this tool works so seamlessly, so easily. Within a few seconds, you will get a new background for your image, and this is the best tool as of now when it comes to background, removing background and adding a new background. So this was all from this lecture. We have ended our lecture, and I hope that you enjoyed the entire course. You learned so many things when it comes to image generation, video generation, text, ad, and more of that stuff, building apps, building games, and more. I hope you enjoyed the entire course, And this was all from this source. This was the last part of it. This was the last lecture of this source. And I hope that you have learned a lot. You have applied so many things in the past few days. And you even came to know about new tools, new features. So uh, I can only say best of luck for your future and give me an honest review based on what you feel about this course, how it was for you, how it's going for you. And I will see you in the next part in the thank you page or in the thank you video. I will see you. But still, you have completed it, you showed up, and you were consistent. So, hats off to you. So, this was all from this lecture. See you. Thank you so much. You have completed this course, and this is something to be genuinely proud of. You didn't just learn about these 21 AI tools, you have learned a new way to work smarter and be more productive in your life. I am so proud of how far you have come, and I cannot wait to see you create more amazing stuff taking the help of AI. Have a great day, have a great learning, and I will see you in some other course.